Balaji Wafers Private Limited. Ingredients is vegetable oil, common salt, spices, and chili, ginger, etc. The net weight of this product is 25 gram. This product is veg and MRP is 5 rupees. MFG date is 25 October 2024 and expiry date is 23 October 2005. Website is www.balajivafers.com and the instruction is keep away from direct sunlight and heat, and property of food is namkeen. Instruction is do not buy the packet if packet is open or damaged.
Start.
Good afternoon everyone. I am telling you product information. Myself Midhat Fatima, and the name of product is Sev Samosa, manufactured by Alisha Snacks. This ingredients: corn grits, rice grits, gram, milk, vegetable oil, gorgeous salt, spices, and net weight 24 gram. And this product is veg. MRP is 5 rupees. MFG date 3 December 2024. Expiry date March 2025. Website www.alisha.com, and other information of keep our city and the packet put it this way. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Mariam Sheikh and I am from class 9. Today I am talking about product information. The name of the product is Masala Papdi Chips, manufactured by Alisha Foods Powered Limited. In this packet, ingredients are refined wheat flour, maida, edible vegetables oil, palmolene, typical starch, lozide salt, bicarbonate of soda, instant 500, spices and condiments. Net weight 220 grams. Veg. This food is veg. MRP is 5 rupees. MFG 14 October 2024. Expiry on 14 January 225. Website is alishasnacks.com. Other information is this is unhealthy for our health and it has so much fat and it is harmful for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sabrina Zareen, and I am here to give some product information for you. The name of this poem is Crispy Bowl, manufactured by Alisha Snacks PVT Ltd. Ingredients is refined wheat flour, maida, edible vegetable oil, palmolium, typical starch, isolate salt, spices and condiments. Net weight is 18 gram. Veg. This product is veg. MRP is 5 rupees. MFD date of packing date is 27/11/24. Expire on 2/2/25. Website is www.alishasnacks.com. Other information of instruction protect from direct sunlight. Thank you.
तालिया. चलो स्टार्ट.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Umayma Shumaizana. The name of product Punjabi Tadka, manufactured by Balaji Wafers Private Limited. Ingredients: edible vegetable oil, rice, bran, corn, potato, flax 23%. Net weight 22 gram. Veg. MRP 5 rupees. MFG date 14 October 2024. Expire on 14 January 2025. Website www.balaji.com. Other formulation: this food
हाँ स्टार्ट.
My name is Mohammad Faizan Abdul Said. Class and title product information. The name of product Chana Jor Garam. Manufacturing by Balaji Workers. Ingredients 69% vegetable oil, spices and condiments. Chili, dry mango, turmeric, coriander, aram, seeds, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, salt, black salt. Net weight 25 gram vegetable. MRP 5005. MFG 008 December 30. Expiry date 08 April 2025. Website www.balajiwafers.com. Other information, nutrition information. Energy 570 calcium. Protein 11.9 gram. Carbohydrate 52.3 gram. Total sugar 1.8 gram. Total fats 38.5 gram. Sodium 9.4